The P0060 code indicates a problem with the heater circuit in your vehicle's Bank 2 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter and monitors exhaust gas. The heater ensures the sensor reaches optimal temperature for accurate readings, typically between 600 to 800 degrees for. A malfunction means the sensor isn't heating properly, affecting fuel efficiency and emissions. Bank 2 refers to the engine bank opposite cylinder number 1 in a V-engine configuration. This diagram shows how cylinders are arranged in V-shaped engines. Sensor 2 is the downstream oxygen sensor, located after the catalytic converter. It monitors exhaust gases further along the exhaust system. Here, you can see the sensor's electrical connections and how it's positioned in the engine bay. This physical sensor shows its appearance with the connector and sensing tip. Identifying the correct sensor is crucial. Incorrectly diagnosing can lead to unnecessary parts replacements and wasted time. Consult your vehicle's repair manual for precise location details. As a general tip, sensor 2 is closer to the tailpipe. The P0060 code presents several noticeable symptoms that indicate an issue with the oxygen sensor heater circuit. First, the check engine light will illuminate on your dashboard, alerting you to a problem. You may experience poor fuel economy as the vehicle struggles to maintain optimal air-fuel mixture. The engine may idle roughly with inconsistent RPMs due to improper sensor heating. Failed emissions tests can occur because the sensor cannot accurately monitor exhaust gases. The severity of these symptoms can vary, but addressing the issue promptly prevents further engine damage and ensures your vehicle runs efficiently. Ignoring it will lead to higher repair costs over time. The P0060 code has several common causes that mechanics encounter frequently. The most frequent cause is a faulty oxygen sensor itself. The internal heater element can burn out due to prolonged use or manufacturing defects. Damaged wiring or connectors are another common issue. Frayed wires, corrosion from moisture, or loose connections can interrupt the heater circuit. A blown fuse in the relay circuit can prevent power from reaching the sensor's heater element. Problems with the engine control module, such as software glitches or hardware faults, can also trigger the code by misinterpreting sensor signals. Physical damage from corrosion, oil contamination, or thermal stress can degrade the sensor. Electrical problems like short circuits or additional frayed wiring are also common culprits. Begin diagnosis by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0060 code. This scanner connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and reads the trouble codes stored in the engine control module. Next, perform a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor, wiring harness, and connectors. Look for signs of corrosion, fraying, or physical damage that could affect the heater circuit. Use a multimeter to test the resistance of the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. Set the multimeter to ohms and measure between the heater pins. The resistance should typically be between 3 and 10 ohms. Check for continuity from the engine control module harness to the sensor pins. Use the multimeter's continuity function to ensure there are no open circuits in the wiring. A reading outside the normal range suggests a problem with the heater circuit. For more advanced diagnostics, consider using wireless OBD2 scanners. These devices connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing real-time data streaming to your smartphone or computer for remote analysis of the vehicle's systems. The step-by-step repair guide for P0060 begins with clearing the code and retesting to confirm the issue returns. Next, replace the oxygen sensor if the heater circuit is faulty. Inspect and repair any damaged wiring or connectors. Check and replace any blown fuses. If the problem persists, consult a professional to diagnose potential ECM issues. Remember to use high-quality replacement parts. Ensure the replacement sensor is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. This prevents installation issues and maintains proper function. Use dielectric grease on electrical connections to prevent corrosion. This protects sensor wiring from moisture and heat damage. Double-check your work after each step. Verify connections and sensor installation to avoid future issues. Consider universal O2 sensors for cost-effectiveness, but verify compatibility with your specific vehicle model. For older vehicles, check for aftermarket modifications or electrical degradation that can trigger false codes. Proactive diagnostics are key. Use OBD scanners regularly to catch issues before they worsen. With the rise of electric vehicles, P0060 will become less prevalent as traditional oxygen sensors are replaced by battery management systems. AI-driven diagnostic apps are emerging to predict P0060 failures using machine learning on vehicle data, potentially reducing repair times by 30%. Innovations like solid-state sensors promise faster heating and resistance to failures, potentially eliminating heater-related codes like P0060. However, transitional challenges remain in retrofitting older fleets for stricter emission standards, where P0060 fixes will stay critical. Cybersecurity measures also improve diagnostic accuracy through over-the-air ECM software updates, patching issues that falsely trigger P0060.